silver futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD. We're seeing signs of a converge, but we're below the 200 moving average. This green line acting as our temporary resistance at around price of $27.72. As with the 4 hour chart, we are about to approach to negative MACD territory. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of it diverge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry for it is at $24.29, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. My stop target is at $25.78. My stop loss is at $24.05. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $26.77. My stop target is at $24.54, and my stop loss is at $27.03. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and a 20% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.